Well, keeping up with the suspense on contesting from the high-profile Amethi seat in Uttar Pradesh, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi evaded a direct question by a journalist who asked whether Rahul Gandhi will contest from Amethi, leaving the Wayanad seat. Dodging the question, though, the Congress leader termed the question by the journalist a question for the BJP and said it was the domain of the party's Central Election Committee and he would abide by the decision. While the BJP has renominated Smriti Irani from Amethi, which was once a stronghold of the Congress party, Congress is yet to name its nominee. But let's hear it from Rahul Gandhi and how he dodged that specific question on why not Amethi.
लोग तो गुजरात छोड़कर पीएम बनने के लिए बनारस आते हैं, आप वायनाड चले गए, तो क्या अमेठी या रायबरेली से आप लड़ेंगे?
ये बीजेपी वाला क्वेश्चन है।
ये पत्रकार का सवाल।
पहले ओपनिंग बॉल बीजेपी क्वेश्चन। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। देखिए, अमेठी की बात कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है। जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं। बट पहला बीजेपी का क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू।
Remember, speculation's been rife that Rahul Gandhi, who's been renominated by the Congress from Kerala's Wayanad, may also contest from Amethi. Rahul Gandhi has won the Amethi seat 3 consecutive times since 2004. However, Smriti Irani won Amethi by 55,000 votes in 2019, earning her the tag of a giant slayer there. The BJP has now slammed Rahul Gandhi and the entire family for vacating their bastion seat.
Whether we'll see any person from Gandhi family contesting from Amethi or Raebareli. Today we see when this question was asked to Rahul Gandhi, he basically sidestepped the question and he basically stated whatever the party will decide, he will adhere to it. How do you see this?
That answer should be given by the Congress party. Clearly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has run from Amethi. Wayanad, he has taken the support of the PFI, which is a terror outfit. And in the days to come, people only rely on good work.
Well, Congress and its INDI partners have slammed the BJP, stating that Rahul Gandhi is not afraid of fighting elections, and these decisions are usually not taken by an individual but collectively during the CEC meetings.
There is a continuous demand from the UP Congress leaders as well as workers that Rahul Gandhi should contest from Amethi. He today said that whatever Congress High Command will decide, he will accept that. What is your opinion on that? Do you want Rahul Gandhi to contest from the Amethi?
See, I am a party leader and I know the system of the party. So whatever CEC decide, whatever our Congress President Kharge ji decides, I think Rahul ji will follow the same.
Your own opinion?
My own opinion is Rahul ji is fighting from Wayanad. If he will fight from Amethi, it will give a boost to UP.
See, I'm not aware, but tomorrow I'm going to Wayanad for his campaigning, because he's campaigning all over the country. It is good. I think, I hope the CEC will take a call on that. You know that Rahul Gandhi is not afraid of elections. He is a big fighter of this country, and I'm sure with his hard work, it will pay him good results.
So those are the host of reactions coming in from the Congress camp, saying that this decision is usually taken by the party in its CEC meeting. It's not an individual's decision. Rahul Gandhi, though, gave it an interesting spin. He said this is BJP's question. It's BJP. It is the BJP that has to do the answering as far as this is concerned, which has raised several eyebrows, because remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party has time and again raised this question on why Rahul Gandhi continues to run away from Amethi. Why has he chosen Wayanad yet again? Let me go across to Adeep joining us with more details. Adeep, very interesting that, we've seen this kind of a back and forth from the Congress party, with the Congress cadre essentially highlighting that they want somebody from the Gandhi Parivar to fight from Amethi. Then comes Rahul Gandhi's candidature from Wayanad. He's already filed his nominations from Wayanad and also held roadshows there. He's campaigned in that particular constituencies as well. What is the Congress saying, and what's the mood on the ground with regards to his response, though, when he says this is a BJP question, this is for the BJP to answer?
Well, speaking of the Congress cadre in Uttar Pradesh, the Uttar Pradesh Congress wants the Gandhi family members to contest from Amethi and Raebareli, and for this Uttar Pradesh Congress has sent multiple requests and multiple letters to the AICC demanding that the Gandhi family members should only contest from Amethi. Speaking on the of the ground terms, the people of Amethi, when Times Now was in Amethi, people of Amethi were clearly saying that they want Gandhi family members only to contest from Amethi, as it is their family seat and they have been loyal to Amethi and Raebareli. If Rahul Gandhi is contesting from Amethi, he will win surely this time. Rahul Gandhi in the joint press conference with Akhilesh Yadav said, when he was asked about the Wayanad and the Amethi seat, he said that this is a BJP question, but whatever CEC will decide, whatever Congress party will decide, it will be my decision and I will abide by that. This is what Rahul Gandhi has to say on being asked about Amethi. But the people of Amethi, the Uttar Pradesh Congress cadre, is demanding that the Gandhi family members should be contesting from Amethi and Raebareli. And the sources are also telling us that the Congress is waiting for the April 26th. That is when the Wayanad will go into polls. Then it is expected that Congress will release the list of the candidates in which Amethi and Raebareli will be named. Remember, Congress has 17 seats as per the alliance pact in Uttar Pradesh, and Congress has declared all the candidates except for the 2 seats, which is Raebareli and Amethi. Congress has declared candidates on the 15 seats, and only Amethi and Raebareli are left. So the sources are telling us that the Congress can declare the list after the second phase of election, which is on April 26th.
Okay. And hence the BJP continues to ask, is this indecisiveness coming from lack of confidence on part of the Congress parties, why they've not revealed the candidates for both these states or seats once, known as Gandhi bastions? That's exactly why this kind of politics is playing out over these key constituencies in Uttar Pradesh. Adib, stay on with us. Let's also talk about more reactions coming in. In the meanwhile, Robert Vadra has also come out to say that people of Amethi love him. They know about his humanitarian work and want him to fight elections from this particular seat. Not the first time he said this or opined this. He said this while he wants his wife to take the poll plunge first. He's also keen on representing and ensuring development of Amethi and also the well-being of its people.
मुझे लग रहा है कि वो चाहते हैं कि गांधी परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य वापस आए, वहाँ वो भारी बहुमत से जिताएंगे। यहाँ तक कि वो मेरे से भी प्रेरणा करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि मैं वहाँ अपना पहला कदम अगर राजनीति में रखता हूँ और सांसद बनने की सोचता हूँ तो मैं अमेठी को ही रिप्रेजेंट करूँ। उनका मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा वहाँ आना जाना नहीं है, वहाँ कुछ प्रगति के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे हैं, बस वो ये देख रहे हैं कि गांधी परिवार के ऊपर कैसे कुछ बेबुनियाद कोई सवाल उठाएं, इल्ज़ाम लगाएं और बस शोर शराबा करें और अपनी पोजीशन का गलत इस्तेमाल करें। तो मैं देखता हूँ कि ज़्यादातर वो उसी में लगे हुए हैं। अगर मैं अपनी मेहनत से आऊँ और लोग चाहते हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहेगी और अपनी मेहनत से मैं बनूं, ये नहीं कि क्योंकि मैं गांधी परिवार का सदस्य हूं उसी वजह से मुझे चुना गया है या चाहते हैं।
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।